Hey everyone, moving internationally to or from Austria. One of the first questions is, how much will this actually cost? I'm from 3 Movers, and today I'm breaking down the key factors that affect your moving budget, so you can plan smart and avoid surprises. International moving costs depend mainly on 3 things: the distance between your current home in Austria, the weight and volume of your belongings, and the services you choose. Full-service moves, including packing, unpacking, and storage, cost more than basic shipping, but they save you time and stress. For a smaller shipment or partial container, moving to Austria often starts in the low thousands of dollars. A full household container shipped by sea can run several $1,000s, while air freight is faster but significantly more expensive. Knowing your shipment type helps set realistic expectations. Here's the thing. Price isn't everything. A reputable mover handles customs paperwork, offers insurance, and ensures your items arrive safely. Paying a bit more upfront can save major headaches later. And that's priceless when moving internationally. So, how much does it cost to hire international movers in Austria? It varies, but knowing these factors will help you make informed choices. For a personalized quote and expert guidance, visit 3movers.com. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more moving tips that actually help you.